Hi, I'm Dan Q, and today I'm out hunting for the 2022 or 408 53-1 geohash point. This should be a nice, easy one, by which I mean it'll be easy to find out whether it's possible or not. It should be nice and quick to get down there. I'm spending today driving most of the way up the M1 motorway to get to a week's volunteering at Ilkley in Yorkshire. But I've stopped off on the way on the outskirts of Doncaster, and I'm walking down this path which will apparently lead me to the Trans-Pennine Way. Down there, somewhere near the banks of the River Don, is today's hash point in the Sheffield Graticule. And it looks like it should be achievable. It looks pretty easy. We'll have to see. That's the good news. The bad news is there's been snow on the other side of the Pennines, and you can just see the bad weather front coming over here behind me. I've been in the sunshine all day. As you'll see if you look to the south, it's still quite bright and sunny, but that bad weather is heading in, and if I can't find or give up on this one quick, I suspect I'm going to get very wet. So let's press on and try to get there. One thing I am loving about being out here is they've got hills, which is a step up on Oxfordshire. "360 metres dead ahead." Of course, you know, knowing my luck, that means it's going to be off in this hedgerow on the side, and I'm going to have to get prickled to get within the circle of uncertainty, but we'll see how we get on. Along here I'm walking alongside a railway line, you might not be able to see over there, which bypasses Doncaster, or the better view of it over here. So if we're really lucky, we'll see a train too. Now up ahead I'm going to have choices about route. I think this is probably better. For a relatively rural footpath, this path is quite broad and has a really hard gravel below it, which, given its position, makes me wonder if it might be the route of an old spur off the railway line, which is now over on the other side of this valley. I may have to have a look at an old map later and discover if this was, like so many lovely footpaths in the UK, formerly a railway until the beaching axe. Real close here. 15, 14, oh bleeding neck, 10, 9. I get very close to this edge. 7, 6. Yep, called it, in a hedge. Whoop. Gonna lean backwards over here. 4, 3. Try not to fall off the brambly cliff. 2. Oh, it's that way, that way. 2 meters, what's my accuracy here? Right. Oh, plus or minus 3. So within the circle of uncertainty. I think that bridge over there must belong to the A1M motorway, which I was briefly on earlier. But here we are. The 2022 0408 53-1 hash point. Time to shoot a silly grin. One of them's probably pretty silly. And head back and see if I can get back to my car before that rain reaches me.